What if I told you the key to learning faster isn't about being smarter, it's about learning differently? Picture this. You're cramming for a big test, prepping for a job interview, or trying to pick up a new skill. You're tired, frustrated, and thinking, why can't I get this faster? Stick with me, because today I'm going to show you how to flip that script. Learning new things is part of everyday life, from students hustling through college courses to professionals trying to stay ahead at work, to parents learning new tech just to keep up with their kids. But here's the truth. Most of us were never taught how to learn. In a world where speed and adaptability can open doors, promotions, better grades, personal growth, knowing how to learn faster isn't just an edge. It's a game changer. 1. Focus beats friction. Think about how Americans train for sports. A quarterback doesn't practice every throw at once. He drills one motion until it's second nature. Same with learning. If you zero in on one skill or one topic chunk at a time, your brain makes stronger connections. No more scattershot study sessions. Laser focus for 20 to 30 minutes, then break. 2. Teach it like you own it. Ever notice how teachers know their stuff inside and out? That's because explaining forces clarity. Whether it's your coworker at the office or your dog in the living room, seriously, try it. Teach the concept out loud. When you explain it simply, you reveal what you really understand and what needs work. 3. Connect to real-life learning sticks when it matters. Tie new info to everyday things. Sports stats, your favorite TV show, or the road trip you're planning. Americans remember catchy jingles and movie quotes because they're emotionally linked. Give your brain a hook to hang new knowledge on. Chunk it down. Break topics into bite-sized pieces. Don't binge learn like Netflix. Take it episode by episode. Use active recall. After studying, close your notes and quiz yourself. This is like scrimmage before the big game. Space it out. Study a little today, a little tomorrow. Spacing beats cramming every single time. Mix it up. Change settings, coffee shop, library, or park bench. New environments can wake up your brain. Imagine walking into that job interview or final exam with a calm, "I got this," confidence. Picture picking up guitar chords faster, mastering a new software at work before your colleagues, or finally acing that public speaking class. When you learn faster, you don't just gain knowledge, you gain freedom and momentum. That's how careers skyrocket and personal dreams become reality. Overcoming challenges you might be thinking, "I've tried this before and still feel stuck." That's normal. The shift isn't overnight. Start small. One focused study block, one teaching out loud session, one real-life connection. Consistency beats intensity at first. And remember, every expert was once a beginner who kept showing up. If this video sparked an aha moment for you, Smash that like button and subscribe, because every week we're unlocking the skills that level up your life. Drop a comment with what you're trying to learn right now. I want to cheer you on. You don't have to be a genius to learn faster. You just have to shift the way you approach learning. Think, focus, teach it, connect it. That's the playbook. Now, go out there, learn boldly, and surprise yourself with how far you can go.